What is a campaign? A campaign is an organized activity or even a sign to help convince people to do something. For your task, you're campaigning for the animal shelter. Think about what you want people to do to help you and help the animals. Make your campaign great. Spread the word. Make sure you let people know what's happening at the shelter, in their neighborhoods. That way they can get involved. Share pictures and ideas. You're a great artist, so go ahead and draw some things that would help spread the word. Educate others. You're going to be the teacher. Some people don't know that there is a problem with homeless pets. It's your job to teach them. Let people know how they can help. Believe it or not, a lot of people really want to help. They just might not know how. Your campaign can give them all kinds of ideas on ways they can help the animals at the shelter. Ask those tough questions and get the answers. The more questions you have and the more answers you get, the easier it will be to spread your campaign. Here are some examples of some campaign posters. Fight for animal rights. Kids can save the animals. Fostering saves lives. And adoption. Adoption and foster homes needed. All of these campaign posters have big titles and nice pictures and even more details. Making your own campaign. Include a big, bold title or topic so that everyone will know what you are trying to get out there. Include that question that the people may be wondering and give them the answers. They want to know how to help, but they might not know. It's your job to teach them. And lastly, make it colorful and beautiful. People will pay more attention to your campaign signs if they can read them and they include pictures and all kinds of illustrations. Stallions, remember, always refer to your rubric. Good luck with your campaign.